Hi, this is an important video for the PRP program. So I took this as my responsibility to convey you regarding the level of questions under the PRP program. Now before coming to the level of questions, let me tell you the agenda of PRP program. You may know that this program contains 70 tests, 70 daily tests, 6 days a week. With every test, we wish that we can replicate the same UPSC like conditions in front of you. So whenever you will be seeing the questions in your exam hall or in the exam of PRP, we will try to bring all the variations which UPSC tries to bring in the final exam. We will try to ask you the advanced questions, aptitude based questions, we will try to conceptual questions, some questions from the basics, etc, etc. But please take it from us, the level of questions will be as per the standard of UPSC. So prepare yourself as if you are preparing for the final day, है ना? And that is the agenda of the PRP as well, that on 70 days we are training ourselves to handle that exam pressure. Now why even I am telling you this thing, there are two agendas for me to convey you the level of questions. The first agenda is pre-test agenda. Now in pre-test agenda, I want you to prepare well for the test so that you are giving your 100% efforts in whatever syllabus you got, है ना? After 100% efforts, whatever result you are driving as the rank in the PRP will tell you the gap in your preparation, and all those gaps, sir and ma'am, if you accept them, these gaps will help you in the course correction, and if you do the course correction, the results will be very beautiful. Okay, so I want you to give 100% efforts before the test under the PRP program. And my second agenda is post test agenda. Now since the level will be as per the UPSC standards, so you should have one thing in mind, that bringing maybe 80 marks out of 100 or 60 marks out of 100, or comparing it with some other test series, that we were getting 60 let's say what I can say 120 marks out of 200 in some other test series, but in PRP we are just getting maybe 25 marks out of 100, is something which you should not do. Why? Because we will try that we can replicate whatever we can do in all the tests, so as to give you the experience of UPSC, and that is our entire objective, right? So please do not compare your marks with other test series. This is something which will give you the right reflection of your preparation. Are you getting my point? Please accept it and do the course correction and try to upgrade your preparation, so that you're not lying to yourself, you're being true to yourself, and that is something which will be reflected in your prelims ka result also. Okay, so PRP mein we are not going maybe basic and something like this. Okay, all the questions will be on UPSC standards, every variation of UPSC will be reflected in the test, and please prepare well for the test. Acha, for those who don't know about the PRP program, PRP is all about daily test, where the test will be conducted sharp at 8 AM. Post test there will be a quick recap or revision, or what you can say the flash session of 1.5 or 2 hours, and a discussion, and you will be getting a rank on daily basis, so that you can do the course correction, the loopholes, and on daily basis you upgrade yourself, daily basis you experience the exam hall condition, and within 3 months you realize whatever the upgrades which you have to bring in your entire preparation. Now if you have any doubt regarding the program, query, concern, etc, etc, please reach on this number. PRP is both online and offline, especially at Delhi. And if you want to register, visit our website www.sunyais.com. See you under the program. Thank you.